Okay guys, so welcome again to Messy Bun Fitness. Got another great workout for you today. This one is super quick. I just need you for 5 minutes. We're doing another standing ab workout today. This has by far been my most popular video, so I want to thank you guys for requesting another one. Today we have 5 new moves. Again, we're going to torch calories. We're going to work every part of your abs today, and we're not going to do a single crunch on the floor. So stick around. If you want, you can grab a weight. You don't need one for this exercise, but if you want to kind of up-level the moves, you can totally grab a weight. You can also use a bottle of water if you don't have a weight, or you can do these without any equipment at all. So grab a quick drink of water, make sure your hair is up, you're ready to work, and let's get this done for today. Okay guys, so we're going to start with a move called a standing ab twist. You can grab a dumbbell or a bottle of water if you want. If not, you can totally skip that. But what I want you to do is start with your arms like this. Make sure your elbows are kind of in the locked out position. Keep that core in. And we're simply twisting, center, twisting, center. Join me, full minute. You're going to feel this right away. Working every single part of your abs. Woo! This one's gonna get you, especially if you're holding a weight or even a bottle of water. If not, you're still getting a great workout, and this is something that you can challenge yourself with. You can do this maybe for a couple of tries and then work your way up to using a bottle of water or a dumbbell like me. Woo, your arms are feeling it too. Oh my goodness. You usually try to work more than one thing at a time. 15 more seconds, you guys got this. Hang on. We're already almost a full minute into this workout. Only 4 more minutes left. It goes by quick. It's a great one to add on. Give me one more right here. Woo, good job. Set it down. All right. So we're gonna go into a toe touch twist. So what I want you to do, arms like this, reach towards your toe, center, other toe, center. It's okay if you can't reach all the way down, you can modify right here, but if you can, try and reach towards the toes. Good work. We are working every part of your core right now. We're also getting in a really nice deadlift by keeping our legs nice and straight. So we're working out those hamstrings right now. Woo! Big muscle group. We are burning calories. Keep that core in nice and tight, less than 15 seconds before our next move. Ooh, I told you this was a quick workout. Give me one more right here. Good work. Okay. Grab that dumbbell if you want, or a bottle of water. You don't need it for this. We're gonna go into a standing side bend, all on this side for 30 seconds, and then we'll switch and do the other side. So think about just gliding the weight or even your hand just down the side of your leg. We're really working those obliques right now. Again, core is in, nice and tight. One more, and let's switch sides. Other hand, here we go, 30 seconds. I really feel this one. Last time I did this workout, I could feel my obliques sore for about 2 days. So you know you're really getting in deep on those obliques on this one. It doesn't seem like it's really doing so much maybe right now. It's gonna get you, let me tell you. It's sneaky. Give me one more right here. Good work, you guys. Okay, can't believe it. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right, we're going to go into a warrior balance. So I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me. One knee goes up, all the way back. Try and fight for that balance. You can hold on to the wall or a chair or something. I'm really shaky. You probably are too. It's totally fine. We're really moving those lower abs right now. We're really working them. Give me one more right here. Good work. All right, let's switch to the other side. Here we go. Knee up, all the way back. Woo, I'm losing my balance. It's totally fine. Good work, you guys. Keep it going, keep it going. Nice and slow. So this is more about form than speed. Trust me, we are working a lot of muscles right now. Your core is fighting so hard to stay balanced. Good work, you guys. Keep it going, keep it going. Give me two more. Woo! It's hard. All right, let's shake that out for a second. Let's march it out. Let's inhale it up and exhale it down. Let's do a really quick stretch. So arms all the way up. Interlace the fingers. Just pull straight towards the sky. Core is nice and tight. You guys did amazing today. Again, this is a great workout. You can add it onto any of our Messy Bun Fitness workouts. Let's stretch out those obliques. Gently pull your wrist. You can really feel that down the side here. Find your breath. I know, we didn't even get on the floor, but I'm already breathing a little bit hard. Center, and then gently pull the other wrist. So some of these moves, you don't have to be jumping up and down and going crazy all the time to burn calories. This is a great one. Like I said, that you can add on. You can do it on its own. Just kind of roll those shoulders out for just a moment. Roll forward. I like to stretch it out even in these quick little workouts. Stretch out the chest. Gently pull through. So if you like today's workout, definitely remember to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below. And make sure you ring that bell as well. That way you'll be notified the second that I upload a new workout. I don't want you guys to miss any of these, and help me grow this awesome community by sharing. Comment below, tell me what moves you're doing, what you like, and I can't wait to see you at the next workout. Bye guys.